Now, these are the two component parts of the ClariVein device. This is actually the handheld motor drive that spins an internal wire that's along this calibrated sheath, or this long tube. The wire protrudes from the end, but it doesn't do so until this sheath is engaged in the handle device. The spinning itself of the wire at the end of the tube is at 3,500 revolutions per minute. So it's quite fast, but very well tolerated by the patient, who only has the sensation of a vibration. The actual device itself is inserted into the vein via a 5 French, or a very fine little tube called a sheath. So that goes into the vein first, followed on by the ClariVein device itself. Okay. Simultaneous to the mechanical rotation of the wire, we will inject a sclerosant down through the device, and it's targeted at the tip of the spinning wire on the wall of the vein. So it's a double action: the mechanical action of abrasion or scratching the inside surface of the vein, combined with the chemical action to sclerose or harden the lining of the vein. Here's ultrasound imaging of the needle at the front wall of the vein, and that's it, entering the vein. You can see the needle. Now, at the next stage of the procedure for the ClariVein treatment, I remove the little fine wire, and at this stage we pass the full ClariVein device up through the little fine tube and into the vein. Here we have the ClariVein device inside Alison's vein. So Alison, we've got this device running inside the vein. You can actually see the tip of it. It's got a lovely little hockey stick bend on it. That means we can actually steer that in the device, and that gets around little kinks or bends in your vein. So there you can see the Y junction, and that's the tip of the device. Okay, at this stage it's now time to load the drive handle onto the device. So there's a click there, and that's it, ready to run. Just by putting it into its housing, and we also then, in addition, add the chemical sclerosant onto the end of the tubing. Very good position there for the device to start spinning. Away it spins. That's it. You can see it beginning to spin in the vein, and as it's spinning, and withdrawing it very, very slowly. And you can follow that down, and just also very slowly injecting. And now we've come to the end. We've reached the white mark on the device, so we can stop at this stage and withdraw without any risk of damage.